Another bullish week for Nasdaq 100 appears to be a irreversible rally in Tech 100. We have been discussing that beyond 15,280 levels, certainly we are looking at 15,500, 15,800 levels. It has gone close to 15,720 here, and now it is closed with a slight drop on the last trading sessions, giving it a room for a further rise. So what to expect? Is it going to continue with the rise from here, or we can see a pullback, we can see a complete reversal here? Which position you should take trading Nasdaq 100 next week? We will see with the help of charts and followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. So do watch till, and before leaving the video, just press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment also, and do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets which I share for Nasdaq 100, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Definitely both of these analysis will help you in your day trading decisions. So do press the bell icon. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the rally here for Nasdaq 100. Let's start with the weekly charts first. You can see triple bottom. Since then it is staying bullish here. And also one more point to note, now it has created another base and consolidation levels here at this zone. It is trying to trade in this channel, which is a bullish channel. Now it has achieved the top here, and also if you look at the downside to this channel is almost now limited at around 14,800, 14,700 zone. This is going to be a very strong support zone for Tech 100. Only and only if you see it trading below 14,700 levels, you can say that it is reversed and it is going to stay bearish from here. Else what it could try to do, it could try to retrace a little, and after retracing a little or trading sideways, achieving till towards 15,000 280 200 levels, and then a bounce back or a recovery again can be expected. So it is still staying bullish. The chances of a reversal are there. It is highly overbought right now. Nasdaq 100 is trading highly overbought, and it is trading in this bullish channel here since multiple weeks. So do not think it off that it is overbought and it is going to reverse. See, it will only reverse when you stop expecting for a reversal, and when everybody goes for a buy, then it will reverse. Right now it is what everybody is expecting, that we are going to look forward to a drop, which it is denying as of now. Hence you have to trade with caution on the downside till the time it remains above 14,700 levels. We should not be thinking of a sell or a crash in Tech 100. Next is yes, it has formed a very good support here at 15,000 plus minus 200 levels. This is going to remain critical, and also it has achieved the top of this channel. Now the bottom of this channel is at around 15,000 and then 14,800 700 zone. Now coming to the daily charts, also one more observation on the weekly charts. See here, it was trading in this bullish channel for long. It has formed a flag formation and it has given a breakout. This we had discussed since long now, that it has given a breakout. It is going to continue with the bullish momentum. Also at this point at 13,300 400 we are seeing that it has given a breakout and a sharp rally. Now look at this. See, this is the consolidation zone. This is the peak here at 16,000 16,200 level, and the peak at 16,500. So this is going to remain a critical level. It can try to achieve a double top levels. Remember, this is a V-shaped recovery. It can try to achieve a double top levels. Nasdaq 100 is one of the few indices across the globe which is still lagging from the previous highs. Most of the indices have tried to attempt and achieve or break past the previous highs or the all-time high levels, and hence this may also try to attempt and achieve towards these levels. One has to remain careful and observant here. Coming to the daily charts now. Now look at daily charts. See, at this point we have discussed that it is reversal sign and it is going to rise from there. With this as reversal sign, we have seen it rising. Now it is formed a shooting star here on the top of this channel, and this probably may call for a little retracement on the downside. See, 15,280 and 15,200 are the two major support levels. So yes, we could see a little retracement towards the beginning of the week. You have to be careful and watchful here till the time it respects 15,500. We should not be selling Tech 100 next week. Yes, if it stays below 15,500, probably you can expect a little more retracement, which is going to take it till to 15,350, 15,280, 15,200 levels. Now see what it will try to do. It is trading in this bullish channel here. You can see this. And now on the daily chart, the bottom of this channel, now it will try to make somewhere here at around 15,200, 100 levels. Any point of time, if you see it breaching 15,000, that should be treated as a complete reversal, because see, this is the reversal sign here, and if it breaches below 15,000, then you can say that it is going to trade bearish here. It is reversed and we can see 14,700, 600 levels. Else what it will try to do, retrace till towards 15200, station there, and then a further rise can be expected later this week or tomorrow or next week. Now coming to the monthly, now look at the candle size here. See the candle size, it is bullish and it diminishing in nature, that is getting smaller with every move here. Second observation is it has breached past this zone 15 to 80. Now look at this here. See, it has in fact breached beyond this. It is trying to trade bullish, but a closer of the month at around 15600 is what one can expect. Hence, even if it tries to drop till towards 15200 levels, maybe towards the end of the month we can see a recovery, and a closer at around 15600 is what you can look forward to. Now it will still keep it in a bullish zone, and possibly the next month it can try to attempt or achieve double top. But if it has to form a double top, it has to close the month somewhere here at around 15800 15900 levels. This is also possible. You can see this candle, it could try to form a symmetrical move here, achieve till towards 5900, close at around those levels, and then a double top next month is what one can look forward. However, as of now, you can see it has given almost 25% return in just last 4 to 5 months, from 12,000 to 16,000 levels, more than 25 rather. It will, and now marching till towards the 33% return till towards 16,000. So possibility exists for this. I will see a bullish closer for the month, and any retracement till towards 15,200 or 15,000 levels is again a good opportunity for you to accumulate a more. Now on the downside, if you see it trading at 15,200, remember the risk is less for you to on the downside, because once it drops below 15,000 we are again going to go on sell, and hence we have to remain careful at those levels. Now see, we have seen the charts, we have seen, now time for us to see the indicators. If you look at the indicators on the monthly chart, see the moving average crossover, the 20 period moving average crossover here is a very good sign. See, this is looking upwards. Also the Ichimoku lines are willing to cross over. So this is where I will look forward to, even if it tries to retrace. The support levels are far below at around 13,000 levels. Also remember one point, that the farther it stretches from the moving average, it will definitely try to come down. First is for the moving average to come up, then the price to retrace till towards the moving average. So yes, the chances of it for a retracement will increase in the next few months, but before that it is still going to stay bullish, pull the moving average a little up. Stochastic overbought, extremely overbought on the monthly. It does not mean that it cannot continue. See, it stayed overbought for months here, but this is the point which is making me which is going to be interesting. See the MACD crossover from here at the bottom, and it is divergent, it is bullish, it is looking upwards. You can see this crossover coming after 10 to 15 years. You can see the previous crossover at around these levels has happened at around 2010 levels after the financial crisis. And see, and it has stayed bullish. Now after months it has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. This indicates the bullishness here. Yes, it could continue to diverge for next few months. It could try to pull this up, achieve the highs here, and then the downward journey should resume. So yes, we have to still be careful on the downside. RSI looking upwards, staying bullish. On the weekly charts, if you look, now look at the weekly chart. See the crossover of the moving averages on the weekly charts. It is going to lift these moving average up on the upside for a little while. See, this bullish crossover is happening after months, after weeks, and hence this could continue for a while. This could stretch the rise here. Now if you look at also on the weekly charts, the Bollinger Bands are far above. It is now limiting itself at 16,000 levels. But only point which I am observing here is, see the moving averages, the price is divergent from the moving average. First thing is, it should pull the price little up. That will pull the moving average little up. Definitely it will happen with time, but there should be a retracement also. But at best, even if it tries to happen, it will first try to lift the moving average on the upside. So that is what it is doing with the continuous upward move, and hence till the time moving averages lift till towards 14,000 14,500 levels, probably it could continue itself in the bullish. Now see the stochastic here is also overbought. It has touched the overbought line and now trying to look upwards again. The MACD is divergent bullish. This is straight bullishness coming at the bottom and continuing with the bullish momentum here. But it has achieved the peak here. I will definitely watch out for how far it can stretch. Right now it is trading with divergence. Probably a little convergence should happen. It is not in a mood as of now, it appears. RSI is overbought, but look at the overbought peaks which we had seen earlier, and hence it has still got the room for it to continue with the upward move. Now coming to the daily. look at the daily charts, one important point is it has stayed outside Bollinger Bands. Definitely that will increase the threshold for the Bollinger Bands for next week. But at the same time, we have seen a pullback here. Now what will happen? The Bollinger Bands will expand here and the prices might try to pull on the downside. So this is what one can expect. Possibly it could try to retrace a little. I will look forward to 15, 500, 400, 280, 200 levels as the greater support, and then ultimately 15,100 as the greatest support. Now see, the daily moving average is now stationed at 15,100 levels. Definitely with time it will try to move up, but at the same time the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. It will definitely try to pull back a little down. So yes, a little lift of the moving average on the upside, a little downward move for the price on the downside, which will still keep things in a bullish zone. And then 15,100, 200 levels certainly appears to be unbreakable for next few sessions or in the month of July, because if it breaks, that will call for the bears and possibly we can expect a drop beyond those levels. Now also if you look at the Ichimoku lines, 15,200, 350 levels are giving it a little resistance, or it will definitely give it a little resistance. Stochastic on the daily charts is overbought. The MACD has crossed over again, trading with divergence. This is the second candle here. Possibly it could try to lift the prices little up. We have to be careful here. Yes, it has still lot much of upside. RSI is also over, but it does not mean that it cannot sustain the overbought levels for a little while. Now, if you have seen the charts, you have seen the indicators, time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably next week. And before we proceed, yes, first, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals group where we trade major global markets and commodities. Hence, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, before leaving the video, just press the like button. Do share, subscribe, and comment. That will be a great support and motivation for me to deliver day on day, twice a day, and on the weekends also. I am devoting my time, and hence, just press the like button. Let's start. First is where to buy. Now, see, I will recommend you to buy only if you see it above 15,600 levels. Beyond 15,600, 15,660, 15,720 and 15,800 levels are three major levels which are going to provide a hurdle for tech hunt. And if 15,800 is breached this time, remember 16,000 is what I will look forward to. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Until and unless you stop expecting it to drop, it will continue to rise. Remember this fact, and hence right now most of the traders are expecting it to drop. However, it is not going to do so. Be careful here. So 16,000 is also possible. Then 16,180, and then we can see 16,400, 500 zone, the double top zone. Though it appears difficult, but for this month, but these are markets. We have to note down the levels and trade as per the levels. I will definitely watch out for any rise above 15,800 level. That should be, yes, 15,920 levels also in between. We have seen one candle there. So 15,920 levels are also going to be critical for Tech 100 here. Now this is on the upside. I will definitely expect it to get greater resistance at 15,800, 900 zone. Now on the downside, first of what could happen next week, as we have seen a little retracement is possible. You can sell here at 15,500. I will expect 15,400 as the first target, 15,360 as the next, 15,280 as the next support levels here. Now this levels 15,280 definitely a greater support. We have to be careful here, and if it stays below, we can expect 15,200. Now 15,200 is amazingly great support on the downside for now, and ultimately 15,100. Till here, I will not be treating Tech 100 as bearish. Till here, I will not be treating Tech 100 as bearish. Once it stays below 15,100 levels, we can say that the bears will be back. We can expect 15,000, 14,800, and then 14,700 levels also. And if it breaks below 14,700, that will cause the mayhem in Tech 100, and then a crash is what you can look forward to. It is going to be a major crash. So at best, what we can expect is to retrace till towards 15,200 level. and or worst case 15,100 and then a pullback from. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.